Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and today we're going to the Warner Brothers studio tour. We made it! It's just, oh, I can't believe it! Okay, so at the entrance you can get these like passport things, and then there's like 7 stamps inside the studio tour, and you can stamp them on each page. It's for kids, but I mean, we're all kids.
Kids?
Kid.
Seen all the Harry Potter films?
Of course.
Fantastic.
Do we have any Harry Potter fans here today?
Yes.
Yeah, well, you're in the right place. Your birthday helpers would like to greet you with the very words that Harry heard when he first arrived at the castle. Welcome to Hogwarts. Push gently on the doors, everyone. And nice big round of applause.
We have the mighty Hufflepuff over on the right, including Cedric Diggory's costume from the third task, excuse me. Now we know that doesn't end very well for Cedric wearing that costume. He does become Cedric Diggory before the end of it. Cork necklace, and even the dirigible plum earrings on the far right hand side. All of these were handmade by Ivana, all in about 40 to 45 minutes. She always said she could have spent way longer and made it all look way nicer, but at the end of the day, Luna didn't care what other people thought. We actually have the Hogwarts School Song. Now this is a prop that you never would have seen. Never something that you're never going to see. This is the level of detail and craftsmanship that goes into it. It really is staggering. So I'll do my best to show you loads of their props as we go throughout the tour. Double role in the stories. So she told him all of Snape's backstory that we didn't find out until those incredible graphic artists. By flick through the book for you here from end to start. You can see that every single page has that detail on it. So in that first film we gave her a bit of padding underneath her costume, which was made out of birdseed, because she is terrified of all the pigeons eyeing her up like a walkie-talkie buffet lunch. So it worked well for the character. Demonstration. Don't say I didn't warn you. If we're all ready though, let's say hello to Aaron. Now, if it makes you guys feel any better, if you're feeling a bit freaked out at the moment, all of the hairs that cover these spiders comes from doormats and coconuts.
What are you gonna get me?
Ooh, fish and chips.
I think my throat is gonna die if I eat that.
Eagle's feather pattern. Might explain why he acts out so much against Draco Malfoy in the
Wow!
Just let you soak it in. It's absolutely amazing. bottom left there, can you see what looks like big fat spiders with loads of legs? Those are actually dog chew toys we got from the local pet store, and we've turned around so you can't still see the big googly eyes and goofy grins that they have attached. Around the corner. Welcome to Hogwarts.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hey mom. Good? That went so quickly. Haven't had a pie yet. Mom got fish and chips. That is a big piece of fish. Okay, this was the steak and ale pie. It was really good, but it was so big, and that mashed potato is really good, but I can't eat anymore. And mom's fish and chips is like
Too much.
it's included in the deluxe tour. What do you think of the tour, mom?
Not too bad.
Was it interesting even for a person who wasn't a fan?
Yeah,
What was your favorite part?
the models.
So the deluxe tour is done. It was 2 hours with, what's that guy's name? Freddie. It was really good and he knew a lot and I learned a lot even as a fan. And now I'm gonna go to the shop and buy some legit robes and a jumper, and then we're gonna go back in and stay till 8 p.m.